G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's burger review time, and well, today I've come back to the full-on takeaway. I came here for a fish and chips and it was really awesome, but then while I was here I saw they had a sign $3.90 for a Chicken Schnitzel Burger, so mate, I've got to come back and try that. So how about we whip on in and get the Chicken Schnitzel Burger, see what it's like from the full-on takeaway. Alright, well here we go, the Chicken Schnitzel Burger. Now I had a choice of sauces. I actually asked the owner what sauce would be best, and he said he likes a sweet chili with a garlic, so that's what I got. Anyway, let's suss it out. Oh, it's a big foilie, you ripper. I don't think I've ever had a burger wrapped in foil before. Anyway, let's suss it out here. Oh, yum. Wow. Look at that. Look at that sesame seed bun there, you little ripper. I wonder when you get a burger on Star Trek if this is what it looks like when it comes out. Anyway, we've got the sesame seed bun here. And then underneath, well, it looks like the sweet chili sauce with the garlic. It looks like a piece of chicken schnitzel that's been cut in half. Then we got some tomato and lettuce. And it looks like there's a bit of sauce on that tomato as well. Oh yeah, looks alright. Let's see what this chicken schnitzel's like. Crunchy. Processed chicken, of course. Okay. Wow. That first bite was really juicy, and I really liked the addition of that garlic sauce on here. Wow. Tastes so good, and the sweet chili sauce together was really delicious. Wow. And when I first bit into it, I got a real juiciness of that tomato and the lettuce. Made it a nice juicy burger. That sweet chili sauce on this has got a real little bit of a kick to it too, which I don't mind at all. Nothing better than a bit of chili and chicken together. But yeah, it's actually pretty good, and I'm actually enjoying it. And the bread, it's fresh as well, which is always a good bonus. I just need one more bite before I score it. Yeah, that was pretty good. So, what score would I give it out of 10? Well, $3.90, well, mate, it's pretty hard to find a $3.90 burger around nowadays, but, well, this one's pretty good. Flavour-wise, I really enjoyed the chili and the garlic on this. It tasted really nice. It just gave it like some sort of flavour at least. You know, some burgers you get, they just got no flavour, but the chili and garlic on this was great. The chicken, well, it's processed and, well, it's cut in half. Would have been good for a bigger one, but for $3.90, what do you expect? The juiciness of that tomato and lettuce was good too. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the full-on takeaway Chicken Schnitzel Burger, I think I'm giving it a 7.8 out of 10. I think this burger's pretty good. It's nice and cheap, fills the hole, and tastes alright. What more can you ask for? Well, there's the full-on takeaway Chicken Schnitzel Burger I wanted to try. And yeah, it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I do a review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review